fuck is he filming? The fuck is going on?
Oh, we gotta get there. We gotta get there. We gotta get.
This is live. Oh, he's got some double XL mamas.
Wait, that's our phone.
Wait, can I get a kiss?
Shabby ass kiss on his first time. At least, you ain't gotta do no tongue, but at least you know, you them full lips, girl.
Yeah,
Come on now,
it doesn't have to be
pucker them
tongue.
hoes up and
Just a
just,
nice juicy.
you know what I'm saying, bro? He don't got no lips. You got big lips. You supposed to take his shit over. Come on,
Wait,
now.
come over here. Come over here. Wait, don't go down.
Don't do it to him now. Don't be his first and fuck it up now. What? Don't be his first now. Fuck it up.
Hold on. I'm a man.
Pucker up now.
I get what I want.
Pucker up.
Oh,
no. Get some.
Nah. That was like a rapey kiss, man. What the comments gonna say about that? This is creepy. I want to see what goes on, man. There's gonna be something going on, obviously.
Just like you.
Grooming?
Yeah.
No way.
She grooms dogs.
No way. For what? For what city?
You pinch their assholes.
I do.
You do anything?
Ah, she's alright. Skinny one wants to get fucked, man. She does, man. She's looking for something, man. Fucking the guy in the hat's got his eye on her, I can tell, yeah? He sort of like claimed it, man. He didn't like it, you can tell. When the other guys came over with their cameras and he had her to himself and that. The guy with the hat there, he's got his eye on that skinny one, man.
Oh Lord, what's going on now?
This guy here with the beard, yeah, this guy here, he's trying to get on this black woman here, man. He's tried to kiss her, he's forced to kiss, and he's forced her to go and sit in the corner in the bathroom on her fucking own, yeah? She don't want to be put in a position like that. She's being made a spectacle out of by this dickhead with the camera.
We had a moment.
Wait, can you kiss?
We had a moment.
Yeah, all the boys just want the fanny. Look at the guy with the hat, man. He's all over the skinny one, like I was saying.
She's very, very,
Can you just
she's
peck him
very
at least?
taken.
At least
We had
give
a
him
moment.
Well, she's a real one, though. We appreciate Allison. She grooms dogs' butts.
Nice.
We had a
She gets all
moment.
up in their
She
ass.
does anal.
She gets all up in their ass.
Don't play
No
with her.
way.
Can you kiss him just one time?
Yo, let's go find
Just one time.
Let's go find old boy.
No.
Where's old boy at?
He's right there.
This guy's a weird kissing guy, man. Why does he want people to kiss and that, man? What's this guy kissing on camera, dickhead, man?
Get in there. Get in there. Hold on. Let me hold
What the fuck is that they're driving, man? What the fuck?
the blunt for you, man. No, the blunt.
No, where'd it go?
What?
Get the light. You got the light. You got the light. She got it. She got it.
You got it?
No, I don't have shit.
Get the light. Get the light. Get the light.
Oh, shit!
Oh, stop.
Hold on.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Yo, get a better fucking view,
Come
man!
on.
Come on, hey!
It's right there. We're totally fine.
Zaya! Down again!
Here, I'll give me your phone. I'll take
Pixelated,
it.
you, sir.
man.
Peekaboo.
It looks like a fucking Matchbox car, man.
Social media.
Listen, 87 people. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. But could I get a little break to smoke my little Chiba, bro? I'm gonna go back upstairs. I'm gonna record all the shit y'all want me to record. Can I just get a quick second? Let me finish my shit real quick, man.
Should I just start over?
That motherfucker up there say 5 hours and 20 minutes. This is my first break right here. Okay? Just give me a second.
His first break, yeah? Take heed of his words! Yeah, he just needs a break. He's smoking roach, for fuck's sake. Let him just fucking smoke it down, yeah?
Stay with me.
Lowe's is the best.
We're not getting robbed.
Rick's Mace sent $10. Big up Zion, Bezatino,
My
Ben
money's-
Diddick,
my money's
Jack
right
here.
Daniels,
You good.
Alan Mountain, Kitty, Upskirt.
It's not my money.
Bro, if these boys got something taken, bro, they're gonna have to figure it out.
Yeah, that's on them.
Alright, we're going back in the room.
We're back.
Hold on. Let them talk real quick. Seriously, let them talk. Let them talk. Let them talk. Okay, I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you.
They're fucking robbing him.
Sorry.
We're having a good time. That's all that I care about. Seriously. We're just trying to drink. That's it. That's all that matters. We're having a great time. That's all that matters. I already know. It's just $140. Like, seriously.
Oh shit! So $140 gone missing.
So we could, so we could feel to see if they're there.
That sucks, yo. For real. Aw, man. Y'all really. Come on, man.
They stole.
That's whack, bro. It was all in here before we started tonight.
They stole $140 fucking dollars. Yeah, one of them did.
They even said, she's like, I got 100. Dude, they know you guys have it. Can you please just give it to me? Seriously. No, they have it. Can you please just give it to me? The only money that is that they know from me. No, they got it on camera and they know. Some hate shit. Please give me a bag. It's live. They
Yeah,
know.
that's.
And all these people are my homies. No, cough up the 100 or you're gonna be arrested. No.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Someone robbed the money! Someone robbed the money in the party, man. Fucking hell, it's all kicking off.
We only got the ones. That was it. The ones that was on the floor.
Give me the 100. Give me the 100. Listen, I'm gonna count to 30. I don't care if you gotta pull it out of your panties. Seriously, guys. I'm gonna count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Listen, they ain't giving up the money, man. I wonder, do you reckon they'll give up the money? They stole it, yeah?
I know you have it. 10. It's ready to go. 11. I'm gonna count to 30. If you don't have it, you're gonna be arrested and go to jail. The bombs are coming. So give the 100 and go. It's just $100, guys. 15.
Quick, man. Come on. We gotta let y'all leave, bro. Just give it up and dip. Bro. Just give it up and dip. No big deal.
Just give it back. Get it out. I don't even care. Seriously, I don't care. Or get fucking naked right now. Nobody wants to get here.
Like, seriously, look.
No, it's bullshit. They got it on. They have it on film. It's all good.
You got it.
Doesn't even matter. Just please give me a bag. No, you went in that bag. I know you.
With who? Which one?
Cough up the money and go, and it's not a
Pink pants. Yeah, they said pink pants. Pink pants got it.
Ah, Pink Pants nicked the money, man. Or is she gonna give it up, yeah?
Just give it up, bro. Just
Give
call
it
it.
up.
Fuck it, bro. Just call the police, bro.
Nigga, this is what that jungle do.
Come on, AK. What the fuck, bro?
That jungle made me go harder. That jungle trying to go faster.
AK, pay attention. AK, pay attention. You got robbed and banned. You got robbed and banned tonight. God damn, bruh. The man got banned. Come on, ladies. The man got banned tonight. He can't make no more money. He can't make no more money. He's about to be fucking homeless for the next 30 days.
Which one do you reckon stole the fucking money, Bass? I reckon it was Pink Pants, like the other chat room said, yeah? Do you reckon they're gonna give it up or try and deny it to the death? Yeah, what they gonna do, man? This is live, man, people. Fucking.
Bro, they're gonna clip this shit. They're gonna put it up on IP2, bro. This shit's gonna get clipped, bro. They're gonna find the exact point and they're gonna clip it and they're gonna put it up.
Them? No, they have. I know. I was with her.
Come on, ladies, man. Damn, bro. I was having a good time, bro. Can you just give it up? Call 911, bro. Just call it. Fuck it. This is content, bro. Bring the police up in here.
Are you on about the white guy, yeah? He looks like he gets mugged off.
I don't have it. You can check me.
It's going down.
Oh,
It's going down.
What's the road?
They're ringing the fucking police. Yeah, they're actually calling police.
It was just like randomly on the floor. You know what I'm saying? Like there was everything was on the floor except the $100
Huh?
And like if y'all don't have the $100 bill, then that's fine. I don't have it. I'm just trying to say like I don't want to cause no problem. I really do like you guys. You guys were really fun to hang out with and shit. And like we were throwing ones and shit. But like it's just a $100 bill, yo. And if you could just if you don't have it, that's fine. But like I'm just trying to get back. I mean that's fine then. Like
Nothing.
Alright. I mean like. I'm not holding. Look,
I'm about to spend money, so why I gotta spend it?
I reckon it's in her phone case, I do.
Put the clip up. Tell them to put the clip up. Put the clip up.
Hey, everybody get the cameras off right now. Cameras off right now. Every single person.
Oh, they gave it back.
Hey, listen. fucking love you for that.
Oh, she gave it back. It was the short one.
Listen. Before y'all listen. So y'all for being real ones, man. So y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank you.
Of course, dude.
We got content out
Of
here.
course, dude. It weren't us that stole it. We're the good ones, yeah? Fuck off, you fucking bitch. They stole the money, but then gave it back, yeah? Because they knew the cops were going to be called. They were on the phone to the police.
Everything's straight. You kept it real. That's my respect. You kept it real. That's all that matters. Me?
Look at the incel, innit? I know, yeah? She gave the money back and he's like, oh, these are actually good people.
No trouble. No trouble at all. Y'all kept it real. That's all that I care about.
That's it.
Is that they kept it real. They coughed it up and we straight. Everything's fine. The other two, they left.
No, they're waiting.
All right, we're straight.
So we gotta get this show on the road, dude.
Everything's fine.
So you good now?
Yeah, we
We're all
good.
good. We're all good.
No more fussing.
Yeah, but you didn't. You
We're all
could've
We're
fucking
straight.
popped it up.
We're straight. That's all I care
As long
about.
as you got your
What?
money, you're
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, I'm straight. You
No
know.
more crybaby.
I got you. I did that.
Oh, you hear that bitch? Oh, as long as you, yeah, are we good? Are we good? Yeah, you're not going to call the police? No? Yeah? No? No, you sure? You're not calling the police? Good. Yeah? You're fucking, none of this crybaby shit now. Yeah? Even though I just robbed your money. None of this crybaby shit, you bitch. Yeah? You ain't calling the police, you bitch. And now they're just there watching the fucking TV. Now they just switched the TV on. Actually, yeah, we just robbed the shit, yeah, but you know, we got caught, but we're just gonna actually stay and watch this free TV. Yeah, with this in this free, warm, fucking like fucking penthouse suite fucking shit, yeah, for free. We're just gonna stay here. Fuck you, might as well stay here. This guy's a proper simp. Yeah, the incel. Would have asked for an extra 100 on top of your money, innit? I know, man.
You guys have ice? Yeah, I need fucking ice. There's no ice in here, bro. Is there an ice thing? There is, but right here.
Fuck, no, that's good, isn't it?
Damn. Yeah, man, quick.
Right there. I would never think to go looking for an ice machine. Oh, is there an ice machine around here? There should be an ice machine somewhere. Like, who the fuck? What the fuck? Innit, I know. Where the fuck do we have ice machines in Europe? I know, man. Like, fucking... Man, them bitches are still in the back. Them bitches are still there. They're sitting by the window enjoying the view. Enjoying the free drink, yeah? Fucking, that's what they're there for, man. In Europe, we make our own ice like men.
We're gonna go see Chase. See what
Of course, his ass probably always up to something.
Chase?
Yes.
No, he's the nicest one in the group.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. He's the one that just wants peace and love. That's it.
Now
He
that
did say something about ordering some more pizza. Thank God, because that other pizza was cold.
Well, I
Now they
ordered
want-
that like way earlier.
free
One thing
pizza.
about my fat ass is that I like 2 or 3 slices with some wings, maybe some brownies, and a good bit of soda or water, then I'm good. I'm blessed. Then after that, I go,
Yo, I got 93 viewers right now. Hey, thank you, everybody.
She was just like, oh, that guy is always up to something. He seems shady. He's up to something. And they just stole $100.
she's already high from the edible.
Oh, shit.
The free edible, mine. Man, why did they just go? Yeah, they just got caught stealing. And they're still there. Fucking...
Hey, big boy, you good?
Yeah, we good.
You sure? You sure? Is that a Rolex? On your wrist? What's the watch?
To watch. Just to watch.
I know, but I thought it was a Rolex or something. You know what a Rolex is? Rolex.
Might be. Never know.
Looks like it. One of the silver ones.
Is that a Rolex? No, it's not.
Girl, you alright. Go on, girl. Allah. Let's get it, boy.
Rick's Mace sent $3. Fat fees go home, no more freebies.
That's not nice. Don't be like that.
Fat thieves go home, no more
That's not
freebies.
nice.
Yeah, they heard it as well, yeah. Ah! Yeah. Oh, shit.
Rick's Mace sent $3 fat fees go
Salutes.
home no more freebies.
Holla!
I already said that
go out
earlier.
damn these hoes smell like sourdough and dead.
Holla!
Rick's Mace sent $10 big up Zaya, Bezatino, Ben Middick, Jack Daniels,
Salutes, man.
Alan Mountain Joy and Cosmic Kitty,
Yo,
upskirts.
don't spam in my chat. BAK because Chase is fucking.
Rick's Mace sent $2 send Pinky
Oh, they
Pants
should.
and a brain into the car park to break into some cars. They might make some decent money.
Maya, you're the pink pig. They were talking about you. What? What about me?
What? AK went black. Yeah.
These two bitches here stole the money, man.
Get in there. Oh, no. Oh, Lord. Come on now. Y'all fucking up in here, dog. Dog, come on, dog. Damn, bro.
This shit was gonna happen. I peeped.
Jesus Louise Christ.
Who's fucking?
Come on, bro. Come on, hurry up now. Give us a show. What the fuck? Can we watch from over here?
I promise.
Hey, yo, bounce hoe. Get out of here.
Yeah, what happened?
Oh, it's the white guy, man.
You come at me like that? Come on, man.
Oh, the white guy, yeah. Like I said, he was trying to get on that skinny one. I was saying that earlier. And now this big guy here, he's like, why is he telling the woman to get out? Because he's got caught fucking. That's just a bit gay. What? What?
Hey, where's AK, man?
Where's AK, man? The bathroom?
That's gotta be the fucking neakiest shit, yeah? There's people fucking, yeah? You don't kick them out. Ain't that the aim of the game? Ain't that the main fucking reason they got them bitches there in the first place? Why kick it? That big tall guy, not happy, he's trying to grab women's faces and force kisses. He ain't getting nowhere, yeah? And now as soon as one of his fucking mates, he's like fucking, it's like beta shit, yeah? I've seen it happen before, man. You get these jealous guys.
Oh, yeah. No. He's in the hallway. He's in the hallway.
Come back.
Everybody just grab your stuff.
Yeah, man.
Grab your stuff and get out. What? Because he wanted to. What? Because what? Because what? Yeah? Why is he being a bitch? I can hear something.
Y'all have a nice night.
Later.
Oh my god!
I don't know where my old girl went, but
I think she left.
she probably did.
But nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you guys.
Damn, he was kind of tight. I don't know if he was kicking me out too.
Nah, he's straight.
You sure?
Yeah, he's straight. He's gonna get over it, bro. It's not that serious. Trust me. I mean, unless you want to leave.
It's up to him. I can bounce. I live locally, bro. So I wouldn't be mad if he was mad. I won't be mad. I'll leave. Yeah. I don't mind. Same fucking bullshit, bro.
How you, dude? Go back downstairs.
Can I strip?
Rick's Mace sent $2 check out and fuck off back to Miami. Fake Russian.
I only let half my message go through, yeah. Like, yeah. I read you fake Russian gay boy, yeah. Fucking why kick out the women? Yeah, and he silenced it, man. Fuck off back to Miami, yeah. Fake Russian and that, man.
Yeah. Yeah, you sure you good to drive, bro? Bro, just chill, bro. I wouldn't drive right now, bro. Bro, change them sheets. Fuck it, bro. Just take all them sheets off, man. Just, bro,
I'll be back in a second.
Chance can easily go downstairs and just swap out all these fucking sheets right now.
Because of this guy, yeah. Because of this guy, all the women are gone. One guy was getting pussy. All the women are gone now. Because this guy was jealous or something. Everyone in the chat's like,
No, that's not happening.
he's angry because his friend got pussy. Loads of people in the chat is saying it, man.
Holla!
Anonymous sent $2 you sigh baby. Get some sheets brought to the room. Jesus Christ, man. You big baby.
Well, that's enough of this. This night is over, it looks like. Fucking hell, how long I've been watching this for, man? Fucking hell, man. Yeah, but the link is in the chat to that fucking thing, yeah?
I think once he changes the sheets, bro, he takes a nice cool shower. He'll be fine, bro.